brake stand?
I'm not going to teach you how to do that. The less you know, the better. Hey guys, welcome back for another video. We're gonna get calf barn bedded up here. Get all these wrapped up. Get most of it done with just a skid loader, but I still come around and kick a little bit here and there. Calves will bust this up pretty good too once we start running on it. Yeah. Get this side done and flip the gates and do the other side. And get this other side bedded here. Sparky, get back here. Get. Kind of gotta walk these calves up so they don't get through. And boom. Get. These calves are all going crazy for the new bedding over here. That one's trying to escape. There we go, all done. Calves are nice and happy now. Just gotta close this up. Kick a couple files around. Manure, watch out! That's a lovely noise. These doors are loud. Well, done bedding the calf barn and get this mixer greased up. So, must be my lucky day because the grease zerks ended up right at the top, which hardly ever happens. Usually they land like right here on the side. Is usually when I want to grease stuff. That's usually where they are. So, we'll get to work on that. You want me to do it? There. All done.
You were gonna hook the chain up?
Yep.
I thought we cut them off and threw them away.
No, that's the shear bolts.
Oh, that's right.
Cut them off and welded
Welded solid, yeah.
Well, I'm done greasing that mixer up. Got the skid loader here greased up. Now we're gonna move some corn stalk bales so that the heifers can get bedded up. And then we might go dig out the old manure spreader because we're gonna fix it. Well, let's go move some snow and see if we can pull that spreader out. Got them bales moved, so this is next, I guess. Well, we kind of plowed our way down to it. Now, gotta find the edge of it. So, raking stuff. There we go. Nope. Kinda had it. We got it up a little bit. Oh boy. PTO shaft is still laying there. See if we can get a chain on it and drag it out. There we go. Oop. Hopefully we don't break anything by trying to pull it ahead. Spinning on the dang ice. Here, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Now we're cooking. There we go. That was the plan the whole time. It just took longer for the plan to come together. Well, I got pulled up here. There's quite a bit of snow in there, and I don't really want to shovel it, so I think I got an idea that will probably work. Well, it looks pretty good for the most part. Probably will get a hammer and a pry bar, something, chip the rest of that out of there and call her good. Well, Dad just got back from town. He picked me up and now we're gonna unload all the sodium and the salt. And the weigh truck just pulled up. Pretty nice rig.
Yeah.
Nice truck. Dad tried letting all the cows out. Why'd you open these gates when we were working over there?
I thought you were bringing the salt.
Oh no, I was unloading soda.
I didn't know you were confused.
You gonna let them in there, into the pump room too?
They would never go in there. Because they know they're not supposed to, see? Don't go in there. Alright, see now she's staying out.
Yeah. We'll see how that works.
Well, we're gonna be bringing salt any minute.
Yeah. Maybe these cows do listen. What do you want? Huh? Yeah. Ooh, got your tongue. She's thinking about it, but she's not doing it. She must be listening when Dad told her not to go in there. You're kind of a pest, aren't you? Are we best friends? We just became best friends. One cow is just waiting for her opportunity. We pulled hauled a couple bags in there, and the gate was just cracked open and she slipped right out. Smarter than they look. We got the bags all hauled in. Now we're gonna feed them. Feed a bag. I gotta see if I can. Yeah, it's like it's froze. See if I can pry this out of here. Should just come out in chunks. Not sure why the cows want to dribble so much water in, but they like to do that. You're still just all over me, huh? Leave a comment on what you think we should name this cow. I don't think she has a name yet. So, if you got any good name suggestions?
I got one.
What was your name suggestion?
I don't think you can put that on YouTube.
Oh. Now Dan's trying to let these cows out too.
Grab the gate.
I was making sure they weren't going to get away.
They never do.
They never do.
We do this every day.
Well, we got a little issue. We were just going to unload the corn and then get back to work on our manure spreader project, but the corn had other ideas.
Yeah.
So, where's my ratchet? Did I hand that to you?
No.
Or set it on the board?
You just set it on there.
So, now we got to take the shaft apart between the two screws.
Because at this point we're screwed. But if we can narrow it down to one screw at a time, I think we'll be able to make her.
Hopefully I brought the right size. Oh yeah. Here. Take them too.
Do you think we should just call Greg and have him do it?
Should probably just call it Greg. Tell him to take this thing back.
Yeah.
It can't even start a load when it's got corn in it. I'm not sure why the camera shut off. Probably because I got a inexperienced cameraman. Ugh, might need two hands for this. There, I'll just clip that up there like that.
You want me to come on in there and do it?
No.
Okay. You need the instruction manual?
Nope. Alright, there. That's off. Maybe we can start her up and see if we can get one screw to turn. Got one screw going. Now we'll see if we can hook it back up, I guess. Oh, come on. There we go. There we go. Now slide back together nice. There we go. There. Nothing to it. I think we're going to go inside and do a little bit of shoveling just to make sure that we don't break another shear bolt, because I've already broken two. I wasn't even going to make a video out of this because I thought, huh, it's just going to be boring, same old. I'll unload the mixer, load her back up. But nope, gotta make it interesting.
Right.
Oh, the boss showed up now.
Nate told him I'm gonna take this up there and I'll send him down. You can have Waylon can take my place.
Okay.
Alright. You help Daddy. Get that thing.
Alrighty. boot stuck. Oh boy. There we go. Made her out. Waylon's been just living life down there with a shovel. Shoveling distillers, shoveling corn. Been shoveling my share fair of corn too. So, got quite a bit of it shoveled over. So we'll see once if she turns. She should. Definitely should. Just question if it will, I guess. Well, here we go. Came out. Now I can go mix for morning. We'll catch up with you guys once we get back to work on that manure spreader. Well, got this all mixed. Now Catherine still doesn't want me to go work on my manure spreader yet. I had a little peek in there. See the feed? Window's a little cloudy. Turn the scale off. So we're still running off the battery since we're still technically demoing this thing. Want to do a not make the battery go dead.
Is this how you do a brake stand?
I'm not going to teach you how to do that. The less you know, the better. Would you like to explain to everyone why you won't let me go work on my manure spreader yet?
Because there's a pepper that won't block up. Oh, dude, I can't take this off right. Hey, bring my gun.
There's one that was on the loose. I suppose she's in the middle of nowhere, so I'll probably just stand there, hold her in place. Well, Catherine needed help breeding because they weren't locked up. Well, I come back here and they're all locked up.
I told her they're all locked up.
Yeah.
You know,
She just likes making more work for me.
No, she was enjoying her. I'm gonna need your help. You didn't come back here.
Doing my job. Being the pillar that this whole place leans on.
Yeah.
Is that other heifer pregnant now?
Better be.
Better be. Well,
Wasn't exactly.
now is your time to lower that conception services per conception from 1.6 and get that lower.
I thought it was already at 1.6.
It's at 1.6, but we can always do better, right? You can always do 1.5.
You're asking for a lot here.
We were looking at our DHI report yesterday and saw that we were at a 1.6 services per conception on our heifers, which is a really good number because
Now someone's gonna comment something lower though. They're gonna be like, oh, that's trash. My great uncle is at a 0.332.
well, that's impossible. So yeah, someone will probably comment something like that. But yeah,
Okay, we're gonna have to come
that
back.
means that being at a 1.6, that means that every heifer that we breed, majority of them are getting bred and pregnant.
1.6 time.
Yeah, they're getting bred
So
1.6 times.
Yeah, when I only do a 0.6 time, I just put my arm in like this.
No.
0.6, and then they're pregnant.
No, that's not how it works.
That is exactly how it works.
No, it's not how it works. It works. Catherine's lying to you guys. I'm telling the truth. I'm the truther.
You called me a liar? I ain't calling you a truther.
Yeah. That means majority of the animals are getting bred and
got
pregnant
poop
on
on
their
my
first
face.
try. Versus
All thanks to this.
if it would be at like a 2, then that would mean that pretty much everybody gets bred twice before they get pregnant.
All thanks to this hand.
All thanks to that hand. That is right. Well, Dad got just about all the ice chipped out of that thing, so we're gonna set her down. inside the shed with it. We're gonna get this chain put back together. See, there's a part right there. Better angle of it. But you're probably wondering, what are we doing putting time into this junky spreader with no beater in the back? And that's because we started using recycled turkey manure. So there's some turkey barns around here, and they have the bedding that the poults, so the young turkeys, are on. They change that out after 6 weeks, and it's still pretty dry. It's not full of manure. It's mostly bedding with a little bit of manure mixed in. And so there's a few other guys around the area that have been using it, and they told me that it was pretty good to use. Works really good in heifer barns. So we got some, and it's been working pretty good. But it takes a long time to get it all into the barn. So we thought, since we have this spreader laying around, if we fix the chain on it, that the sawdust should be light enough where the chain shouldn't have too much stress on it, because this chain is very old and it really just needs to be replaced. But we had parked this spreader originally because it was toast. We parked it just before we bought the slinger, and then it had 2 broken links. Yeah, I think that's how it went. It broke 2 links, and Dad said that he had enough and that it was time to buy a new spreader, so he went and bought a new spreader. Instead of fixing it, I pulled it out like a year ago, maybe 2 years ago, and I cut the beater out of the back here and put the chain back together. I was planning on using it for cleaning out pack barns, to back this in and then fill it up and then drive it to where we want to pile it and unload it, rather than driving with the skid loader all the way across the yard. But I put one load in it and the chain popped. So we're thinking that we can put it back together and make it work for sawdust, because we'll be able to put a good amount of sawdust in here, and then we can back it into the barn and just let it fall off, and it'll kind of make a nice layer of bedding. So that's what we got going on with this thing. So that'll do it for this video. I guess tune back in if you want to see if that thing holds up. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.